You have mentioned your hobby.
Sir, I mentioned 3 hobbies, sir.
Which are these 3 hobbies?
So, first is playing with pet and stray animals.
Yeah. So what is this? You are the district collector
Yes, sir.
of a district. People come to you. Okay, there are thousands of cases of dog bite during morning walks. And sometimes in your civil hospital, there are no anti-rabies left. You start some action, the NGOs come. I mean, and then actually there is pressure. How you will resolve that?
As a
As a district collector, I mean, the matter is referred to you.
Sir, the matter of this particular issue of
Yeah,
dog biting.
Yeah,
Sir.
the NGOs they are advocating that no, stray dogs, stray cattle, they are. I mean, you see the live, I mean, animals, so they have the right. You cannot you see, kill them. You cannot take any action. You cannot torture. I mean, how you will resolve it?
Sir, I beg to differ, sir. My individual experiences, sir.
No. I'm not. I'm just asking you how you will resolve the conflicting, you see, claims of both. The morning walkers are telling that you please take care of them. We don't want these dogs here.
Sir, there are obviously other people as well. For example, myself also, that are not being bitten. Yes, if there is a rogue dog who's carrying the strain of rabies, yes, that needs to be taken
But
care
how
of.
you will know actually which stray dog is having rabies? How you will know?
Sir, the person who has been bitten by that, and doctors, and there are obviously blood samples that can be taken from from.
Will you wait for that?
No, sir, but I will consult the person who has been bitten by a dog and who has been uh, who has been identified as a person
Doctor will say, doctor, I'm the doctor. I'm telling you, watch this dog for 24 hours. If he dies, then there is rabies. If he's not dying, then, but by that time the damage is done. So how you will resolve that? There's no other method. This is the only method. You have to wait and you have to watch. The stray dogs will go to other colony. So you will keep chasing the stray dog, whether it alive or died.
So there are security guards as well in the compound who.
You see, there are hundreds of cases. You see, the example where I am giving, there are thousands of cases. Yes. And people have come to you that, sir, please do something. How you will resolve it? Two groups. How you resolve that conflict?
Identifying a particular set of dogs in a particular area, I think municipalities needs to take care about it, and vaccination has to be done and left in the same community, because I believe that in a locality not every single person is attacked by dogs.
So there was recently a controversy about sending our tennis team to Pakistan. What was that matter?
Sir, when the diplomatic relations between two countries are on have an animosity between, and when we're not playing cricket with them, then sending a tennis team for Davis Cup was considered as not a very prudent move in diplomatic areas, sir.
And who was head of that particular tennis organization? Leander Pace, or what was his name?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not aware. I'm not able to recollect right now.
Who is Nick Kyrgios?
Sir, he's an Australian.
And why he remains in controversy?
Sir, I think because of his temper, sir.
Can you give some example?
So there was in the preceding Australian Open we had, he smashed, I guess, if I'm collecting it right, then I guess he smashed 3 rackets on the court at different occasions.
And once there was an incident when he was feeling bored, so he deliberately lost the match because he wanted to go home early.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, if you are the head of this, whatever is their international organization, what action will you take against the gentleman?
So number one, I agree that this is against the spirit of sportsmanship, and action is desirable if there is a specific rule in the professional tennis circuit that once the warning is given, and after that you might lose a point, and the third warning is a temporary ban on a play.
Suppose that this guy is in habit of doing this regularly. So one section says that you temporarily ban him. And then there is also another section of your marketing executives who are suggesting you that let him continue because this type of people, they create more reality show feeling and it will bring more audience to the and advertisement revenue. So then what will you do?
Sir, I think rules are rules, sir. If specifically anger and aggression is nice against an opponent, but anger, if it materializes into anger, then it is specifically against the spirit of sportsmanship.
Serena Williams was also in controversy for displaying her anger. Are you familiar with that?
At times, yes, sir. She has not.
She even accused one referee
Yes,
of being misogynist and anti-African.
yes, sir. I know
what
about
was
that
that case?
controversy. I know about that controversy, sir. And if there is a
So which rule was she violating in that particular episode?
sir, I'm not aware about the rules, sir.
Oh, okay, no issue. Are you familiar with this SDG 2019 index, Sustainable Development Goals?
Yes, sir. I've read in the newspaper report.
So what is the rank of Uttarakhand?
Sir, I'm not aware about the fact.
Okay, in front runner category, performer category, could you make a guess? Achiever category, aspirant category.
Sir, I have very sparse knowledge on this, sir.
Okay, no, sure, that is all.
Sir, I have 2-3 questions. I have a particular problem when a particular member speaks. Last interview experience I had, a member was speaking very cynically for the India-China border problem. कि यार कुछ होता नहीं है. India is not doing its bit in UPSC interviews. India is not doing its bit, and China is also not very serious about solving the issue. ये सब बेकार है, तो सब diplomatic बातें कर रहे हो तुम. Real बताओ मेरे को, and you're reading wrong books and ऐसे करके. I get very tensed. कि what should I now? How should I approach the question now?
By this, they are provoking you, whether you get irritated or not. This is the first thing they are checking. Number one. Number two, if you remember, you might have studied in ethics. How do we criticize them?
Yes, sir.
What is the basic fundamental of criticism?
Constructive criticism.
One is constructive criticism, and secondly, it should always correlate to the possible resolution.
Okay.
It should be giving
Solution.
simultaneously giving a possible resolution.
Solution oriented. It should be.
Solution.
Yes, sir.
So you can always, or you should always say in such a situation, sir, what you are saying is factually might be right. And this is what you want to say. And they say, but I am of the view, sir. I'm of the view that if we do these things, in addition to what is being done by Government of India in this regard, we will certainly achieve a permanent solution.
Okay.
Don't bother what they are doing. They are checking you. Basically, they are checking you.
Checking this.
Whether you get provoked and get restless and you just get disoriented in the interview. Don't bother.
Yes, sir.
You just try to use that formula of criticism.
It should be solution oriented.
Solution. So, sir, honestly, I want to speak that this is what I think, and I'm very sure this will add some greater possibility of reaching to a solution.
Okay, sir.
That's what they want from you.
And sir, one more thing is there. The last interview that I had, so I was taking guidance from different panels. So I'm very comfortable in speaking in points. That these 3 are the main issues. These 2 are the main issues.
Okay. That's very.
But
good.
they said that it's sounding very mechanical.
No. They are wrong. I am again telling you.
Yes, sir.
One thing should be very clear in your mind. These people who advise you, they generally don't have experience of interviews.
Might
They
be
go
so.
by theory.
Yes, sir. Might be the case.
Yeah. Basically, they are very different in interview. They are very differently oriented. People are very differently oriented. They want to keep you comfortable. We are basically interested in knowing what you know. We are never interested in what you don't know. What is the advantage of troubling some person? So there is no discussion taking place.
Suppose you say 3 points, but then you are unable to elaborate on any of them. So it becomes a robotic answer. Then they think that this is, you have to involve in a conversation.
Conversation, basically.
Like what you were involved for a length of time with sir. So it's a involved discussion, not just.
You're doing very well. Don't bother about that. Don't go by these advices. I'm telling you. Whatsoever is there in you is right. Remember it.
Okay, sir.
So just prune it further.
Bullet points are actually very good, provided you can
Justify.
you can
Because
justify.
what happens when you are giving bullet points? Then generally what happens that you give them some leads. And those leads give you very, very difficult situations.
Exactly, sir.
There's no point in creating difficult situations for yourself.
Obviously, sir.
So whatsoever has been asked, try to explain them and just think that you are having a conversation with that board. Don't get scared. Be confident and continue that conversation.
And this was good actually.
Very good.
This has been
Hmm.
proved actually. You're right. Then what is the next?
Sir, one more thing. Like, for example, if a particular member asks me a question, this happened to me last year, that he was telling me about India, China, and this is happening and that is happening. This is the border dispute. President Ji came and Narendra Modi Ji went there. And he asked me, do you think both countries are serious about it? So I was taught that I should be very to the point. So I said, yes, sir, it is right. So, but it came out as a very rude expression.
this should never be done.
You should say that they ought to be serious. Now, when you
Yes.
say they ought to be serious,
Yeah.
you are not saying yes and no.
Yeah.
You are saying that they should be serious.
I should also explain a bit
You should explain.
because it sounds
Because
very rude.
again, we have been discussing for so long now.
Yes, sir.
Whatsoever you're speaking, you should try to give logical reasoning for that. Because we want to, again, I am emphasizing, we want to know what is there inside you.
Okay.
Yes, there is no answer.
Obviously, sir.
See, you can say that the head of the states cannot afford to be not
Not
serious,
serious.
on an issue like this. So they, I presume, and I'm sure they are very serious. So that's a kind of convincing answer. Now, reality, nobody knows.
Obviously.
Okay?
All the very best.
Thank you so much.
And don't interact with lot many people. They will,
Okay, sir.
someone will advise X, someone will advise Y, someone will advise Z.
Okay, sir.
The actual truth is, you have everything and preserve it. Which newspaper are you reading?
Sir, the Indian Express and the Times of India, sir.
Okay, both are very good. Both are very good newspapers. So you continue reading them